Hi everyone, in this GeoSnap, I'm going to show you how you can take a closer look at your data with the new magnifier window in ArcGIS Pro 3.1. This is my map for the City of Victoria's stormwater infrastructure. I want to add in some more rain gardens to my map. I could zoom around and look at the different parks to add those in, or with ArcGIS Pro 3.1, I can use the magnifier window to get a closer look at my data without having to change the extent of my overall map. I can right-click the area I want to zoom into, and select magnifier. I can change the size of the magnifier window, move it around, and change the scale, using both percent or adjusting the actual scale value. Inside this window, I can make edits to my data and add my rain garden. I can also access the magnifier from the View tab. The magnifier window is a great tool to get a closer look at your data without losing the whole picture. Hopefully you'll be able to use this in your own editing workflows. Thanks for watching and happy mapping!